The ultimate guide to making a classic Caesar salad at home. A Caesar salad isn't just any salad, it's a masterpiece of flavors and textures that come together in the perfect bite. Crisp romaine lettuce, crunchy croutons, bold Parmesan cheese, and that unmistakable creamy dressing make this dish a favorite worldwide. But did you know that making a classic Caesar salad from scratch is easier than you think? Let's dive into the essential ingredients, step-by-step preparation, and a few expert tips to make yours truly unforgettable. To create the perfect Caesar salad, you'll need the following ingredients. Serves for 1 large head of romaine lettuce, washed and chopped. 1 cup of croutons, homemade or store-bought. Half cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. 1/3 cup of Caesar dressing, homemade recipe below. For the homemade Caesar dressing, half cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 anchovy fillets, mashed, or 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Start by preparing the dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, and anchovies until well combined. Slowly drizzle in the olive oil while continuing to whisk. Add the grated Parmesan, salt, and pepper, stirring until smooth. Set the dressing aside to allow the flavors to meld. For the croutons, you can easily make them at home for a fresher, more flavorful touch. Take about 2 cups of cubed bread, such as a baguette or sourdough, toss them with olive oil, salt, and a bit of garlic powder, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 10 to 15 minutes until golden and crispy. Now, assemble the salad. In a large bowl, add the chopped romaine lettuce. Drizzle the dressing over the leaves and toss gently to coat each piece. Sprinkle the croutons on top, followed by the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. For an extra restaurant quality touch, serve with fresh lemon wedges and an optional topping of grilled chicken or shrimp. A few pro tips to elevate your Caesar salad. Use whole romaine leaves for a more authentic, crisp texture. If you're not a fan of anchovies, try substituting with capers for a similar umami punch. For a lighter version, swap out the mayonnaise for Greek yogurt. Want a richer dressing? Add a raw egg yolk for extra creaminess. Now that you have all the secrets to making a classic Caesar salad, what's your favorite way to enjoy it, with or without protein?